The spice rub for this dish is made with brown sugar, sweet paprika, garlic and onion powders, cayenne pepper, toasted cumin, ground cloves, salt, and pepper. In a small bowl, mix together the sugar and spices and set aside. In a bowl, whisk together bourbon, orange juice, orange zest, and honey. Once you have your spice rub and bourbon mixture, you're all set to prep your bird. Rub the spice mixture all over the skinless turkey breast. Place the turkey in the slow cooker and pour the bourbon mixture over the top. Add orange slices to the cooker and cover. When your hungry family is ready to eat dinner, bring your orange bourbon slow cooker turkey to the table.